Welcome once again on this episode. Okay, that's been chaos over there. Just imagine these guys over there, the car has had issues, and you know, these guys feel that they want to ticket this gentleman. Anyways, welcome to yet another episode. Nze Petro is the channel name and my name. Yes, I'm along Nile Avenue. Yes, I've been bringing you this street. Probably you've been watching. I've ever brought you this monument over here, which one time was just in front. It was in front of the Independence Monument, but now later shifted to this junction here. I've ever brought you to that. Anyways, that is the monument over there. There are new developments on this, particular Nile Avenue road, and where we are heading to, in the Kampala plan, they put new traffic lights. That place was filled with traffic lights, and it is where we are yet to see. I'm still telling you that we are on Nile Avenue, and on my right hand side is the Mosakot Apartments. Mosakot Apartments, and on my left is the National Population and Housing Census 2024 that was conducted, and this is the which building could this be? I've even forgotten, but what I know, the national census was conducted during the 10th and 19th of May 2024. So this area is greener, like it's always. There's green this side. So the building is called Statistics House there. It is the Statistics House. Now this particular road down here leads you to Theatre La Bonita, Christ the King Church, Catholic Church. Down there as well, there is the Uganda Bureau of Statistics, which is the Statistics House as well. Okay, now on my right hand side, where you see this green over there, is Sheraton Hotel Gardens. Sheraton Hotel Gardens, over to you there. Now I welcome you back to this video. That is a Foza, could be a Foza. Yes. Okay, let's proceed. Like I said, we are heading to the new junction, new renovated junction, which has traffic lights on it. And on my left here is the Rock Bar and Grill. Yeah, people always happen from that side. Happening, when I'm saying happening, entertainment. Yes, people always happen from that bar and grill known as Rock Bar and grill. By the way, Nile Avenue is quite busy, like you see the traffic flow. More so, we've got a lot of motorcycles on Ugandan roads named border borders. Yes, and as well good cars on our roads. So on my left here is Speak Hotel. Yes, this side here is Speak Hotel. Yeah, it's greener with this dark tree over there. This is Sheraton. I've been telling you, and there is World Music Day. There is something called World Music Day. Anyway, there is a Speak Hotel on my left. I'm coming from UBC, heading to town, to the city center. But I wanted us to see the new development. I want to see the new development right here on this particular road, where they have installed new. Hope you guys are not yet to see, okay? Where they have installed new traffic lights. Yeah. So let's go. Remember, at this very juncture, this spot where we are heading to was and used to be a place of monuments. The other monument I've showed you at first when I was starting this video was located at this place where they have put traffic lights, and it was shifted from here to the other side. And what remained here was the Independence Monument. That is what remained. So this is the Standard Chartered Bank here. Yes, I think it's their main branch, Standard Chartered Bank. The other one is UTEL, Uganda Telecom building. The other one is Bank of Uganda. Yes. So guys, this is the junction. This is the junction that the other monument. So there is a lot of change here. We have installed traffic lights which have really changed the face of this particular area. Like I said, there is also the Independence Monument over here, which is being, I won't say it is renovated, but they are working on it to see that the face of it is looking very well and attractive to our tourists who come always here. Like I've ever shown you this video of this monument, and this monument is a woman with a child raising arms, with the ropes being untied from down to the top. I've ever showed you this, but now this is what we are having right now. We have this particular junction being changed, and they have installed new traffic lights over there. Again, and from those ones, after you passing through these passing from these ones. Then there are also other more traffic lights here, up here, from this road that brings you from the judiciary, that is the High Court, Supreme Court. There's also another junction. This junction one heads to the two roads heads to State House. Yes, the main entrance and another entrances. Then this one takes you down here to Nile Avenue, and the other one takes you to the Supreme Court, and this side as well, Supreme Court to the city center as well. So now, even at this particular, junction, they also installed traffic lights, and I think their main aim is to help in curbing, accidents, as well managing the traffic flow in the city. I don't know whether it's right, but what we nowadays see, a lot of traffic jam has increased. But let us hope that this infrastructure that has been developed would curb the traffic jam and help us with the flow of traffic. So I would want to cross from here. Yeah, I want to cross from here, then head the other side. But the lights are telling me to wait. So this is the Grand Tripod Casino and the Grand Imperial Hotel. So the lights are telling me I should wait, and I will wait as we are enjoying the traffic now. They have told me to cross, and now I'll be crossing. Just that our border guys are just stupid. I also cross from here, but they have literally told me to wait. So I'll wait, but then they have given me a go ahead to cross. But you'll see our border guys as well. They literally be stupid that they will let you not to cross. So this is the new development so far we have been talking about. So now this is the traffic jam I've been talking about. These lights we are being brought to help in traffic jam, but they are the number one causes of traffic jam in Kampala. Time ago, now these cars would have moved because it was a bigger round, and I know, but now the lights is a disaster because these lights were put on different spots, but they are near to each other. So you bump into a traffic light, and then when you bump into another one, automatically it will stop. So at least they would have left some space in some of them. So now on my left is the High Court. Yes, is the High Court over there. Then there is the Supreme Court as well. Then there is the Court of Appeal as well. They are all located in this same space area. Yes, so a long time they used to rent, but now they really own the buildings. Now this one takes you down to to the city center. This one, the CPS is over there. The CPS is over there. So I won't go down to the streets, but just proceed to this, and I think I'll be ending my video from somewhere, because what I wanted to show you, I've shown you. This is the Ministry of Gender Labor. Yes, and this is the Royal Danish Embassy and the Ireland Embassy. So guys, thank you for being a great subscriber and follower. Don't hesitate to like, share, and as well subscribe to the channel. Yes, because we are still bringing more things for you. And guess what? That was the new development around the Nile Avenue. So have a lovely day. Let's get in touch in another video. Bye bye.